What you doing?
Nothing, just looking in the mirror.
You like that mirror?
Yes.
You want your own?
Yes.
How do you want it?
So instead of black, I would.
It was at this moment that I knew I had messed up. Y'all, she went on for 20 minutes describing how she wanted this mirror. Fast forward to November, and everything she put on her Christmas list was for her room. I took that as she wanted a makeover, so let's get it cracking. There were a few holes in the walls, so we repaired those and got the room ready to paint. Fun fact, guys, I am not a professional painter. I have no method to my madness. The only thing I do is try to cover up the old color with the new color. I needed help with the ceiling, so I recruited this random person to help me. We'll call him Jeffrey. We did 2 coats of paint. While the first coat dried, I put together this stool and Jeffrey put together the nightstand. The painting is done. It looks so good, y'all. I left this wall white because I wanted the colors in the mirror to really pop. Now we decorate. Now that most of the room is done, we can get started on this mirror. First things first, clean it off. Next, I used this wrapping paper from Dollar Tree to cover the mirror. I tried to get as close to the edge as possible. For primer, I used 2 coats of white spray paint. I was a little confused about how she wanted this mirror, so I drew some templates to help me figure it out. These are her favorite colors, so I bought paint and glitter to match. Y'all, I tried my best to come up with some designs that she might like, so here's what I came up with. Now for the moment of truth. Dun dun dun. Which one of these do you like better?
This one and this one.
Alright, Aubrey Lynn has spoken. I painted the trim how she wanted and I started adding glitter. When I added the glitter, I used small sections of Mod Podge at a time. Once I was finished, I went back over it with spray glue to try to minimize the loose glitter. These are the hooks I'll be using. To hang the mirror, I started by putting a piece of tape across the back and marked where the holes were. I transferred that piece of tape to the wall using a laser level to make sure it was straight. Next, I drilled pilot holes so the hooks could be inserted into the wall. Alright, the mirror is going up, and shout out to my big helper, Aiden.
Mom, I put it right there.
You put it right there?
Yes.
I thought it would be easier to clean with the mirror on the wall, so after I hung it, I removed the paper and vacuumed up my mess. I used the paint scraper to remove the glue from the edges, then cleaned it with some glass cleaner.
No,
we're not out of tape.
Mama, we are out of tape.
We're not out of tape. It's the whole room.
What is that? Whoa! Look at this! I love it!
You love it? Hi, babe. Why is you know your shirt is on backwards?
Whoops.
You wear that shirt like this all day?
Yes.
And nobody told you nothing, huh?
No.
Well, now you have a mirror, so you'll know if your shirt is on backwards. Okay. Alright guys, here is the final product. Aubrey is absolutely in love with her new room. It took long enough, but it was all worth it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video when Chloe gonna create something new.